Many Nigerian relationships are not failing because of lack of love. They are failing because of money, pride, and fake life. Many people enter relationship because of what they can gain, not because of they truly love each other. Some men are always under pressure to provide, even when life is hard. Women now compare their relationship to what they see online. Some don't even communicate anymore. Small misunderstanding, they block each other. The truth is that some persons are pretending to be happy in their relationship online while suffering secretly offline. Real relationship needs 4 things, which is patience, understanding, loyalty, and support. If relationship is only sweet when there is money, it therefore entails that there was never a relationship at all. So, how is your relationship?